I'm here at Canal Plaza in downtown Richmond for Richmond Run 16.19, a cultural running event, 2 courses, going to take us through 400 plus years of Black history. Let's get after it. If you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button below or click the bell for alerts. We'd love to keep you up to date on all that's going on in Richmond. Well, I'm here at the starting line. They are running 16.19 kilometers over 10 miles.
3, 2, 1, go! Run, Richmond, 16.19! We have officially started.
Today's event is organized by the Djimon Hounsou Foundation in collaboration with the city of Richmond, the Black History Museum, and sports backers. Djimon Hounsou is a model and actor born in Benin, West Africa. He starred in the movie Amistad and many other movies since. He's the vision behind this event.
Like I said, this has been a cathartic experience for me, and to release grief and to overcome generational trauma.
I'm here to support this event because I think it's extremely important that we honor our ancestors, and what better way to honor our ancestors than having a community event. There were all sorts of things that happened here in the United States that people don't know about, right here in Virginia, that people don't know about. So I think it's important to bring those things to light, but bring them to light in a way that everybody could actually benefit and learn from.
Why are you guys running the 1619?
Well, of all the races, we just thought this one had a really good purpose to it, rather than just I think you need a reason to shut down streets and
My name's Tony.
Tony?
And I'm here today just to support the Sankofa and the 1619 race. And I think it's very important that everybody come together.
Tony, I look forward to doing this with you. Thank you.
Good luck.
We both make it.
Yeah, we will.
These beautiful ladies are representing Black Girls Run, Richmond. And we also have Fredericksburg in the house with Desiree. Yeah! We're all human beings, so we need to treat each other like that. We're all a part of the human race, so we're going to act that way.
Well, we have started. The 6.19 mile event is on the way. There are hundreds of us out here walking, running, brawling by the end. The vision of Richmond Run 16.19 is to commemorate the lives and sacrifices of African American brothers and sisters and celebrate the achievements they've made for our country. It's also to celebrate unity and diversity. We're seeing that today. I'm here at the Emancipation and Freedom Monument, commemorating that amazing day, January 1st, 1863, when Abraham Lincoln gave the Emancipation Proclamation. Those doing the 10-mile run come along this way, which is going to take them down to Ancaro's Landing and Rocket's Landing, the locations where the first enslaved peoples landed on the shore after their transatlantic trip. Grateful for these guys out here giving out water, keeping us hydrated. Kind of cool this morning, but water always good when you're exercising. This is the Henry Box Brown Monument. Henry Brown was an enslaved American who had himself nailed in a shipping box like this and traveled to freedom in Philadelphia. Inspired by the history of Shockoe Bottom, 2 artists did this wall mural called I Can't Breathe. It depicts 2 people underwater who suffer great injustice because of the color of their skin. Turning up East Main Street now, making our way back. It's hard to talk about this place, Lumpkin Slave Jail. One of the most notorious slave prisons in the United States. This was called the Devil's Half Acre. Here, runaway slaves were punished. Surplus, quote-unquote, slaves were sold downriver. If it weren't for an event like this, I wouldn't see these parts of Richmond. I'm here at the Reconciliation Monument. This has been the one I've been most eager to see. 3 of these monuments have been placed in key locations. One here in Richmond, one in Liverpool, England, one in Benin, West Africa, representing three of the main hubs of the slave trade. Reconciliation is an ongoing goal here in Richmond. I love the fact that today hundreds of people of all colors are gathered for the same goal, to celebrate unity in diversity. Well, I made it to the finish line. Came in with cheerleaders, snacks waiting for me, bottled water, a medal. I've seen parts of the city that I've just never seen before. I've made new friends along the way. And I think we've really achieved what the organizers set out to do. Richmond's got an ugly past, but like any city, like any people, there's a real mixture of good and bad. And today I see great effort to bring together the best of what the city has to offer and make sure that we learn how to live and work together.